am still such a child.
E poi tutti a ballare. Poi tutta musica.
Oh, it's an annual festival for artichokes, so you can have artichokes in every possible form. So Paul was literally my neighbors. Ciao from Ladispoli. Today I think the waves are a little bit too big for swimming. What do you think? So we are here actually for the Carciofo festival. It's an annual festival for artichokes, so you can have artichokes in every possible form: soup, pasta, grilled, whatever. Let's go and try. In all possible for places for €5. Buonissimo.
Del latte in lavorazione a crudo,
Sì.
e poi viene lavorato con l'acqua calda e viene fatto avvolto così e poi dopo viene stagionato. Questa è una stagionatura di 6 mesi.
Buona Pasqua! Today it's Good Friday, pitkä perjantai, literally long Friday in Finland. And lots of events happening in Rome. There's Via Crucis and Easter churches. Beautiful, beautiful events. Especially this year it's a jubileum. But it also means a lot of people, a lot of traffic, a lot of confusion. So I'm gonna let myself to relax and be at home. I actually need to work, and then I'm going to take time off and go to nature, be with my friends, or chill out, do whatever I feel like doing, because lots of people. When I first came to Rome, I had my first apartment in Viale Vaticano, right next to Vatican Wall. So Pope was literally my neighbors. So literally this house was my house. So I often came here for walks. Beautiful, beautiful place. I should come here more often. There's actually quite a lot of places to relax in Rome. You can find this in the center of Rome. Beautiful. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of the Italian Pasqua shopping. It's crazy. The pastries are the most beautiful here. The chocolate eggs are the biggest in Italy. I'm gonna show you a little bit craziness before I go home and enjoy a beautiful, peaceful, relaxing Pasqua. I found my favorite. What about this? Or maybe this one. I like Jurassic Park. Jurassic World. Love it. Still, always. I am still such a child. Which is a good thing in this world, no? Or maybe not child, but playful. Oh, then there's a lot of different colombras, Easter cake, many varieties. I'm not so into cakes. Probably because I'm allergic to nuts, I avoid it, but chocolate. Yeah, give me all, give me everything. I want to try all those Easter eggs, please. Sono qui con Alberto e Simona. Ciao! E Pasqua, cosa fai?
Pasqua stiamo tutti insieme a casa mia.
Ok.
Con i miei figli, con i nipoti, con Simona e siamo una bella tavolata.
Sì. Quante persone?
14.
14 persone, ok. Un grande famiglia.
Fettuccine, a ragù, abbacchio, insalata, pomodori, verdure grigliate, tacchino alla cacciatora. Basta perché dopo se ingrassiamo
Basta,
troppo.
non ce la fa più.
fai dolci?
Io faccio i dolci.
Cosa fai per dolci?
Faccio una bella pasta e panettone fatto in casa.
Panettone fatto in casa. Wow.
E le uova di cioccolato.
Colomba,
Uva,
una bella
uvetta,
colomba.
uvetta.
E poi qualche dolce che lei fa è casareccio.
Bello. E altre tradizioni per Pasqua?
Si va a messa la mattina prima, certo.
Ok.
Ascoltare la
Si
messa.
mangiano le uova colorate, il piatto pasquale che c'è il piatto
Sì.
specifico per Pasqua.
E poi tutti a ballare.
Tutti altri.
Poi tutta musica,
Oh.
musica leggera.
Mhm. E la tua canzone preferita?
Sì.
Ok.
Da Vinci, Sal da Vinci, Rossetto e il caffè, sì.
Ok.
Ecco, mi sto ricordando. Questa è un canzone nuovo, molto bello. Calmo.
Buona Pasqua.
Ciao, grazie a te, auguroni e passa una buona Pasqua anche tu.
Sì, grazie. Ciao, ci vediamo.
Ciao.
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 È mutato in danza la veste di sacco in abito di gioia. Padre e Figlio e Spirito Santo.
Such a sad week. Rome feels very empty. The energy of Pope was very big here. I always felt his presence, even I never met him. So I want to share a beautiful story. Italy was my teenage dream, and a few years ago I got a home here in Rome, in Viale Vaticano, right next to Vatican Wall. I didn't know anyone, I didn't know Italian language. I was completely alone here. And then pandemia hit. And soon we went into lockdowns and you couldn't do anything, you couldn't see anyone, and I was basically locked at home, alone. The only one I knew here was Pope. And I remember it's raining, it's like the weather. It's the same time, it's raining and it's sun. Oh my god, it tells so much about this week. I always felt safe here because we had Pope. Even in that moment when I was alone here in pandemia. I remember when Pope was walking in the empty streets of Rome and blessing the streets, blessing Rome. And just around the block where I lived is St. Peter's Basilica, and he was there doing his ceremony completely alone in the square. And I always felt his kindness, his protection and his big heart, and I never felt alone here.